Welcome. In this channel, we explain automotive terms. The word oil light can refer to the oil pressure light or the oil level light. In new vehicles, oil level and pressure are monitored by separate warning lights. In others, there's one light for both. The oil level warning light manifests as an old oil can with waves or lines underneath. This engine light glows yellow when activated. An illuminated oil level warning light means that you're running low on engine oil and it needs refilling soon. It can also mean that your vehicle needs an oil change. An oil pressure warning light is a red light with a picture of an old oil can. Some vehicles display the words low oil pressure. As the name suggests, the oil pressure warning light indicates issues with engine oil pressure, either too low or extremely high, though the latter rarely occurs. Here are several possible reasons that can trigger an illuminated oil pressure indicator light. The main culprit of an illuminated oil pressure indicator light is low oil levels. As oil level decreases, so does oil pressure, which is bad for your vehicle. Heavily contaminated, dirty, or degraded engine oil could trigger your oil pressure light. Engine oil collects dirt and small metal particles as it runs through the car engine. Excessively dirty oil can block the oil system or change the viscosity, leading to low oil pressure. If your oil pressure light still comes on after regular oil changes, you might have a leak in the oil system. An oil leak can happen internally or externally, and it can cause a burning smell or smoke from the car engine. Your oil pump circulates engine oil through the system and is pumped out of the oil pan with constant pressure. If the oil pump fails to work or gets stuck, the oil won't circulate, and the pressure will drop. Another reason the oil pressure light might come on is a faulty oil pressure sensor. This sensor monitors the oil pressure inside the system. It notifies the engine control module if the pressure drops below a certain threshold. A worn-out oil pressure sensor can send wrong signals to the ECM and trigger a false oil light and a check engine light. Worn engine components can also cause an activated low oil pressure light. Dents on the piston or bearing seal damage can cause oil leaks, which lowers the oil pressure. If worn engine parts cause an illuminated oil pressure indicator light, the check engine light will also light up. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.